This is an old and true and easy recipe for blueberry cobbler. I'm Tess, and today I'm making blueberry cobbler in my cast iron pan. Stay tuned. For this blueberry cobbler recipe, the ingredients are few and simple. Of course, we have to have fresh blueberries, and for the cobbler, we have sugar, egg, flour, and butter. I have several different fruit cobbler recipes on my channel. Today I will show you how I make a simple old-fashioned blueberry cobbler recipe in my cast iron pan. I'm starting with 4 cups of fresh blueberries that I rinsed and drained. Pouring the berries into my well-greased deep cast iron skillet. I used about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm giving the blueberries a pop of flavor with a squeeze of half a lemon and gently stirring. Next is the topping. This is 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 3/4 cups of sugar, giving that a good mix. I'm whisking 1 large egg and adding it to the mixture. Taking my fork and stirring in the egg until coarse crumbs form. Something like this. Sprinkling this evenly over the top of the blueberries. And 1 final ingredient, and that is half a cup of melted unsalted butter. Pouring this evenly over the top. The blueberry cobbler is going into a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 30 to 35 minutes. As the cobbler bakes, the blueberries will cook down and bubble up around the topping. Some of the topping will remain and form a nice crunchy crust. The rest will cook and form a nice cakey cobbler. The blueberry cobbler is done and smelling good. Going to let this cool to room temperature. You can eat this delicious blueberry cobbler as is, or you can serve it with some whipped cream or ice cream. It is so very, very good. I hope you give this easy homemade cast iron blueberry cobbler a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.